Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Merchant Center feed for Shopping SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Google Merchant Center feed for Shopping SEO, begin by accessing your Google Merchant Center account. Sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section from the left-hand menu. Look for Feeds within the Products tab. Identify the feed you wish to restore. Check the status of the feed to see if it is disapproved or inactive. If the feed is disapproved, click on it to view the reasons for disapproval. Take note of the specific issues mentioned in the feedback. Rectify any errors in your product data that may have caused the disapproval. Common issues may include missing prices, incorrect product identifiers, or policy violations. Update your product feed in accordance with Google's product data specifications. Once corrections are made, upload the revised feed back into Google Merchant Center. To do this, return to the Feeds section and click on Add Product Feed. Select the appropriate upload method for your feed. Ensure that the file format is supported, such as CSV, XML, or TXT. After uploading, Google will process the feed. Check the processing status regularly for updates. If the feed is approved, you will receive a notification in your Merchant Center account. After approval, monitor your feed regularly to ensure ongoing compliance. Address any new issues promptly by revisiting the Products section. Optimize your product titles and descriptions for better visibility in Shopping SEO. Ensure that all images meet Google's image requirements for quality and size. Consider implementing structured data markup on your website for enhanced discovery. Regularly review your performance metrics in Google Merchant Center. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and maintain your Google Merchant Center feed for optimal Shopping SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.